Discover the method I used to remove all the fat from my husband's abdomen and detoxify his liver. Since he started with this powerful remedy, everyone asks us if I paid for a cosmetic surgery or liposuction. For this powerful home remedy, we will start with an apple, cutting it into small pieces. Apples are rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential for bone formation and keeping our bones strong and healthy. A special shout out in this recipe to Thomas, who follows us from Ecuador, and to Clark from Oregon. It is important for us to know where you follow us from, so feel free to comment and you can receive a greeting in our next video. We greatly appreciate those who view and share our content. The next ingredient is a beet, which you should already have washed and peeled, then cut into pieces. Beets are a treasure trove of antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body, offering relief from arthritis and cleansing the fatty liver. This makes it a secret tool for eliminating body fat, especially abdominal fat. After chopping the beets, we will set them aside, and for our last ingredient, we will need 2 limes. We will cut them into slices and squeeze them to get all their juice. The lime is an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium, as well as containing small amounts of other vitamins and minerals, thus helping to strengthen our immune system and promote healthy digestion. Next, we will place all the ingredients in a blender, add 500 milliliters of water and blend for 3 minutes. While we blend, we would love to know what they call beet in your country, and if you already knew all the benefits that this wonderful vegetable brings to our health. Blessings! This powerful remedy is not only a formidable antioxidant, but it also fights stomach problems and is an excellent ally to reduce abdominal inflammation and eliminate bad breath. Once blended, our apple, beet and lime-based remedy is ready to be consumed. If you prefer, you can strain it to remove the lumps, although the ideal is to take it as it is to make the most of its properties. We recommend consuming this fat-burning and antioxidant mixture 3 times a week to see optimal results. The ideal is to take it on an empty stomach in the morning to feel its effects throughout the day, or at night before bedtime.